Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. phpBB requires mariadb-server. Install a patch using the following command. Enable and start a patch with the next commands. Install mariadb or MySQL. phpBB needs a database, so install it by running the following command. Create a database for phpBB. Log in into mariadb or MySQL. Create a new database and user with the next commands. Install PHP along with required extensions by running the following command. After that, restart the patch. Navigate to the patch web root and download the latest phpBB version. Set the correct permissions with the following command. Create a new virtual host file and add the following configuration into this file. Don't forget to change the server name with your domain name or IP address. Enable the new site and restart the patch with the following commands. Now open your browser and go to your domain name/install. Follow the on-screen instruction. Enter the database name, user and password. Complete the setup and remove the install folder with the next command. That's it, now you can start to work with phpBB. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.